Hello everyone. In our last video, we saw the representative value mean, also known as arithmetic mean. Let's take one example and see if mean can be a representative value in this case. So we have one shopkeeper who keeps the sale data about sale of different size shirts as given below. Now he wants to reorder the shirts. So how many shirts should he reorder? For that, he wants to calculate the mean. So what is mean? Mean is sum of observations divided by number of observations. So what is the sum of observations? Sum of observations here comes to 90. Divided by 5 will give us 18. So if he now decides to order 18 shirts of each size, then will it suffice? No, because if you see here, in these two cases where his sale is maximum, where the demand is maximum, he will fall short of shirts. And hence this cannot be the number he decides to reorder shirts. So in this case, what is the real number he should look at? So he needs to look at mode. What is mode? Mode is the category Mode is said to be the category having highest frequency. Now which is the category here which is having highest frequency? The category is 95. 95 has the highest frequency because it has sold 32 shirts. So he should order 32 shirts because our mode in this case is 95. Our mode is not 32 because 32 is just a frequency. The mode is 95, the category. Let's take one more example to understand it better. Let's take one example to again understand what mode is and also to see how mode is found out. Let's find the mode of following data. To find the mode, step 1 is to put the data in tabular form. So we will have two columns, mainly the observation column and how many times the observation occurs in the data, which is called as frequency. So here let's say observation 1, how many times it is occurring? 1, 2 and 3 times. So frequency is 3. Then observation 2, how many times it is occurring? 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is occurring. Then observation 3 is occurring only 1 time. And then observation 4 is occurring 1 and 2 times. Is there any observation left? No. Now what we can do is we can cross check it. So we can add the frequency. How many? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 and 2, 10. So total 10 and just check whether we have 10 observations. 10. So that is correct. Now in this case, once we put it in the tabular form, we can easily spot that 4 is the highest frequency. And if 4 is highest frequency, then the corresponding observation, which is 2, is the mode. So the mode of our data is equal to 2. So mode is defined as the observation that occurs the most number of times. Let's take one more example. This time we have victory margin. So the data is as given below. So these are the victory margins in various matches. So now because we have lots of data, we will add one more column in our table. So our table would be the victory margin, V margin I will say, or the observation basically. And then I have tally marks. And finally, the frequency. So first, victory margin 1. So how many we have? We have 9. The frequency is 9. Victory margin of 2. 5. Victory margin of 3. It is 3. 4 is 1. And 5 also is 1. So let's now see whether we are taking all the data. Let's add this up. So 15 plus 14, 19. So there are total 19 data values. Let's see whether there are 19 data values. So we have 19 values, and that's correct. So now what is our mode in this case? Mode is the data that occurs the most number of time, and we see the most number of occurrences are 9 occurrences, and the corresponding data value is 1. So what is our mode? Our mode of this data is equal to 1. I'm sure you would love to watch our other videos on data handling. Do watch these videos, leave us comments, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get notifications whenever we upload more videos. Till then, goodbye.